It's been a minute. Um, as you know, the world has been flipped upside down, so we've been dealing with a lot. And today I said I just need to press forward and do a video. So, on that note, hello, and hello. I hope you have been doing well, staying safe, trying to keep your sanity. Um, so much going on, so much going on. But I wanted to share with you a haul I did a couple of weeks ago. I did one this past weekend, but that'll be another video. So let's just get started. It'll be a quick video, but it's something that we need. All right, so I got this finally, the Broken China Distress Paint. So I finally got this. I'm excited. Okay, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it as usual, but we'll figure that out. I can't remember if I showed this in the last video, but this is what I wanted. But I can't remember what else I got. You know what? I can't remember. Did I buy? I don't know. Anyway, I got this, so I'm happy. So, okay, so that's the oxide and the paint. I got this. Oh, all these things I purchased today. Well, not today, but a couple weeks ago. Everything I'm showing you in this video is from Scrappy Chic. So this is, what is this called? It's from My Favorite Things. It's Flamingos. And I know there's a name. Thought it would be on the receipt. So let's see. What is this called? It's cute, isn't it? Oh, Festive Flamingos. So, okay, so long as you can see it good. It says, have a festive, fun, and fabulous holiday. And that's one of the reasons, well, that's the main reason why I got it, because it's Christmas theme. It even has Happy Christmas, You Light Up My Holiday, and all that good stuff, and warmest wishes for a joyful holiday. So I got it because of the cute little, lights and scarves and stuff. So I'm looking forward to playing around with this for my holiday cards. Well, Christmas cards. What? La 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 Flamingo. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put that right there. Then, okay, another flamingo set. My boss loves flamingos, so I wanted to make her a card eventually. I've been buying flamingos, but I have yet to make her a card. But anyway, I bought this. This is another My Favorite Things, and this is from the Let's Flamingo. Okay, that's what it's called, Let's Flamingo. That's interesting. Okay. This is kind of cute. It says, have a flamazing day. Kind of cheesy, but it's cute. Or not cheesy, kind of corny, but it's cute. Get your party on, a toast to you, let's flamingo. Let's drink to that. Yeah, this is definitely a flamingo card. And I got, what the heck? Sushi? Gotta be sushi, but what's the, I just wish it would make it easier for me to know the title of this stuff. Sushi roll, that's what it says on the receipt. Not seeing anything. Well, it's sushi roll. We'll just say that. So you have 6 coordinating dies with a stamp. So I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but Scrappy Chic had a sale and I took advantage of it. So I'm sure I'll use it one day. So happy you roll with me. I know I'm gonna use that for something. But this, we'll see. We shall see. Avocados. This is avocado. Yeah, but they don't have a title list, but it's physics. I don't know. Avocado. Oh, okay, so this is avocado. No, no. So what was this? This was sushi roll. Okay, right. Yep, sushi roll. And this is called avocado. Cuddle. Whatever. And this is cute. This is cute. This will make a cute Valentine's card. And they have the dies here. That's cute. Yeah, this will make a cute Valentine's card. And this is donuts for you. Isn't this adorable? Look at the dies. Isn't it adorable? I think it's cute. Look at that. Why is it? Oh, I was about to say, why is it upside down? Because it is. But that's cute. I guess this will make a cute Valentine's card too, eh? I think so. Now, llama love. I am not into llamas, but I've been seeing them so much, like on my Cricut, and I just been seeing them a lot. So I went on and, joined in and drank the Kool-Aid and got me a llama something stamp. But at least it has the dies, and this will be good for Valentine's Day as well. I never spit on you. And llama love you. That's cute. So it'll be interesting to play around with this as well. But this will be good for Valentine's Day. And I got this because I always need some sentiments or something to go on to my Christian cards. And this is from my favorite things. And it's called Beautiful Blessings #2. So, I'm always sending cards out to some of my sorority sisters for various, reasons. And this will be very helpful when, stamping sentiment on the inside and making it more personal. So it has, you are so loved, you are strong, brave, and beautiful. Sending you love and light, sending you strength, hope, comfort, and peace. May you have a year filled with all good things. Always have faith, praying for you. So this is nice. This is really nice. So, see how quick that was? Booyah! Yeah. So that was. I think it was my. Nope, I do have another. Hold on. I was going to do a separate video for this, but why should I? You know why? I shouldn't, because it's from the same place. So this is another haul I did at Scrappy Chic, and I think I did this 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I think this was 2 weeks. Yeah, this was 2 weeks ago. Oh, I was looking for this. I had to buy one. Okay, look, let me tell you about this. This is totally not Scrappy Chic. This is Home Depot. But look, I got one of these basement. It's for my basement to put in my. I have like drains in my basement, and I used to have domes on them, and I don't know what happened to the domes. Don't ask. It could have been when they cleaned out my basement, they took it with them. I don't know. But I went and got one of these so that, because sometimes here I'm the corner house, and sometimes water want to come in my basement. Not a lot, but enough for me to get irritated. So I was like, well, let me see if I can find something to cover the drain. And this is what it's called. It's from Home Depot. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? It's from Home Depot, and this is a 3-inch. They have them up to 5. They might, yeah, up to 5. I know. And you just drop it in there, and then you don't have to worry about anything else. See, the holes are pretty big. Holes are pretty big. So you just boop and be done with it. So I'm going to replace the one that's open. I have something covering it right now, but yeah, no. Anyway, back to our scheduled program. So I got this from Scrappy Chic. Look at that. I love this lace. Oh, when I'm altering items and stuff. And I mean, they can go on cards too, little fancy smancy cards, but I ended up getting a deal on this, and I am so happy. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, maybe I should turn it this way. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, I like it. And I got this. Another of my favorite things. And all this stuff I got on sale. And I can use this for, of course, I'm always making birthday cards. If you like to make birthday cards and welcome cards and stuff, check out Split Coat Stampers. I'm in their welcome and birthday committee, welcome committee, and I'm always making birthday cards. So anytime I see birthday anything, and especially if it's on sale, I take advantage of it. So I got this. It's kind of big, but I know I can make it work. It's cute. And let's see here. Tailored Expressions. Of course, I got this because it's Christmas. If you don't know, well, some of you watching know me, and you know I absolutely love Christmas. And besides Easter, Christmas is one of my favorite holidays of the year. Easter is first. And then there's Christmas that I love so much. So, I got this only because it has Mary. But then you look at it, it's like, okay, you can do other stuff, you know, Mary and Christmas. Love it. So I got this on sale at Scrappy Chic too. Let's see. Then here's another happy birthday hookup. And this is from Tailored Expressions. I like this. I know I'm going to have to do some coloring, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. But it's a set of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is it? 6, 7? Okay. 7 stamps. And they're the rubber. Of course, but you know, slap them on a step in this board thingy. What do you call them things? Where you slap them on? I'm drawing a blank, but you know, block, a clear block, and keep it moving. Or your not your step jig, your, what is that thing? Stamp something. It'll come to me. But anyway, I got this. I can't remember the doggone name of it. That is terrible. It doesn't have any dies. Nope. Nope. Okay, and I got, oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Little snowman. And I have a die in here for the, well, the arms and I guess the little mittens and the snowman. So this is cute. Aww. If snowman could talk. Okay, so I'm gonna have fun with this, and I have a little swap to do. So I might use this one. I think I am, because this is too cute. I still can't remember that doggone name of that thing. Watch, it'll come to me when I'm done with the video. So that completes my Scrappy Chic haul. I think, yeah. So thanks for watching. It was kind of quick, but you know, I wanted to do a video because I haven't done one in a while. It's like, what, 2, maybe 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks. I can't remember. I know it's been a long time. So thank you. Hope you're staying safe, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, before I go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, please. Let me know how you like the videos. Let me know what products you like. Let me know what you like. Have you seen Coming to America? When Eddie Murphy asked his not wife, but somebody who, what do they call them people? But anyway, his they had a planned marriage or arranged marriage or whatever. So anyway, when he finally met his, well, supposed to be his wife, he wanted to get to know her, so he asked her, what do you like? She said, whatever you like. If you haven't seen that movie, oh my God, you need to watch it. Because, yeah, you need to watch it because, what is it? Coming to America 2, it will be coming out soon. So, yeah, you need to watch it. It is hilarious. It is so cute, but it's hilarious. Anyway, this is Stamp It with La Diva. Stamp it with La Diva. And I'm out. Peace.